Tired of projects spiraling out of control and deadlines feeling like a distant dream? Let's transform that chaos into a symphony of organized productivity by setting up Asana from scratch, together. First things first, head over to Asana.com and click on Get Started or try Asana. You'll be prompted to sign up using your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose whichever is easiest for you. I'll use my email for this example. Once you're in, Asana will guide you through creating your first workspace. Think of a workspace as the central hub for all projects related to a specific team or department. Name your workspace something descriptive like marketing team or website redesign. Click Continue. Now, it's time to invite your teammates. Enter their email addresses in the provided field and click Send Invites. Asana will send them an email with a link to join your workspace. You can also skip this step and invite them later if you prefer. Next, let's create your first project. Click on New Project. You will be presented with options such as Blank Project, Use a Template, or Import Spreadsheet for Beginners. Starting with a blank project will be the easiest. Give your project a clear and concise name like Social Media Campaign and select whether it is a list, board, or calendar view. Now you can add tasks to your project. Click on Add Task and type in the name of a specific action item, for example, Design Facebook, and you can then assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field. Set a due date by selecting a date on the calendar, and add details to the task such as priority and other relevant information. And that's it. You've successfully set up Asana from scratch, created a workspace, invited team members, and established your first project. Play around with the features, explore templates, and discover how Asana can transform your project management workflow.